You got the message.
Mhm.
One, two, three. Yo, what's up, man?
How's it going?
Good, good. So can you talk about magnetoencephalography or MEG?
Yeah,
What
yeah,
what is
dude.
it? And sorry to interrupt you. If you have any picture or any video, you can pull it up while you're
Sure,
talking,
video. Yeah, I'll pull
or
up some video.
yeah, or I
Mhm.
mean you can Google it. But
Yeah, I'll
go ahead.
Google
Sorry.
it.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Magnetoencephalography.
MEG.
Yeah. So MEG is a passive way of recording magnetic fields that are
Mm-hmm.
generated by electrical activity in the brain.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
basically, it's a completely passive, non-invasive recording like
Nice.
paradigm. So you have subjects sit in this sort of machine, and this like dome around their head is gonna
I see.
have all these little sensors in there, and it's gonna measure the magnetic fields that propagate from the brain. Yeah, so
Perfect.
it's really cool.
I,
It's yeah. Go ahead.
yeah. I just realized that there was a tab that you closed. It was schizophrenia. What was that about? Is it a project you're working on?
Yeah. Schizophrenias are the latest project that we're working on. So schizophrenia is like a neurological
Sorry to
disorder.
interrupt you. You wanna
Mhm.
do the same for schizophrenia, like magnetoencephalography? Can you just search it
Yeah,
while
let's
you're talking on it?
yeah,
Yeah, go ahead.
schizophrenia. So this is a neurological disorder. It's characterized by auditory hallucinations, most prominently. So what this means is like you'll imagine stuff that's not there, and the mechanism that we think underlies this disorder is that you have these bottom up, like really low level signals in the brain that, when you process speech, those are what's like generated from like the cochlea through the auditory nerve and all the way up into like the auditory cortex. And if there's some malfunction in this, you can have spurious signals that are just sort of spontaneously generated. And if you combine these spurious, like low level signals with an inability to correct for those, like by later structures in the cortex, what can actually happen is that they amplify and they generate what people with this disorder perceive as speech. So this is like they'll hear whispering or they'll hear like other disturbances, like noises, footsteps in their house, that kind of stuff. Uh,
Really interesting. Yeah.
yeah. So the goal of this project is we're going to use some very fancy signal processing techniques to see where in the brain these structural like abnormalities are, or functional
Hmm.
abnormalities
I
are,
see, I see.
and compare those to like people with normal hearing.
And that actually can help to maybe um sorry, I'm not a native speaker, remedy to find like a
Mhm.
cure or or have
Yeah,
a better strategy if there's any treatment, right?
yeah. I mean, I don't know so much about the treatment modalities and what
Hmm.
people do, but you could imagine that if you can identify the neural circuit that's causing this feedback, which is, it's an out of control feedback loop, which is causing them to generate this fake imagined speech. If you can identify what the neural circuit is that's causing that, you can put something in there that impedes the circuit and doesn't let it go out of control and run wild.
Perfect. When is the next tournament for biking?
I have a race June 3rd. It's 200 miles. So, hopefully that will go well.
200 miles.
200 miles,
Nice.
yeah.
How long it takes?
It might take me like 13 hours. It's gonna be
13 hours.
brutal. Yeah,
Nice.
it's on gravel,
How
so
many how many how many breaks you take?
I mean, there are a few aid stations that you stop at along the way to get more water, get food, and that kind of stuff, but most of it will be pedaling the bike.
Perfect. Yeah. Good to talk to you, man. Take care.
Yeah, yeah, thank you. Yeah.